Today I'm going to show you how to use the snipping tool in Windows 11. So the snipping tool is quite useful. There's a few different things that you can do here. You can go down to your search icon over here and you can type in snipping tool, okay? And here, if you click on the snipping tool, it'll give you this little toolbar. And here you can see that this over here is the snipping area. So you can choose rectangle, window, full screen, or freeform. You can also snap screen grabs. You can also record video, and then you can put it on a timer with a delay. All right. You can also extract text, which is really helpful. And then if you click on new over here, you'll see that this will open up. Now you've got the color picker. You also have the quick markup. But ultimately over here, what we can do is use the Windows key, Shift and S. And you'll see it'll start this up. Now you'll see that your cursor is a crosshair, and you can go and click down and drag, and this will automatically be saved. Now if you use the Windows key and V, you'll actually see right over here that it gets saved into your clipboard. Okay, so this is where it actually gets saved to. And then wherever you want to use it, you can go and literally click down wherever you want to use it, use the Windows key and V, and then you can click on it and it'll paste it in. Now, if you do want to take a screen grab of your entire screen, the quick shortcut key is the Windows key, and on your keyboard you will have a PRTSC. This is print screen. Go ahead, you'll see the screen go dark and then light again. It has now taken a screen grab, and you can use the Windows key and V to actually find that in there as well.